A very good morning to all of you. Again, I am welcoming you all on my YouTube channel, Sahil Malik Vlogs. Thanks for subscribing me and sharing my videos on regular basis, which will also help someone who is in need of these videos. So today's session will be on the topic, the most important session. The topic is why they insulted me. Means why someone standing in front of me, how can someone can affect my behavior? Because in speech therapy, when someone is speaking in stoppage, mean when someone is stammering, then the person who is listening you can insult you by laughing on you or by having some fun of you. So to avoid this situation, you have to focus on yourself first. You have to understand that the person who is laughing on me, he is not laughing on me, he is laughing on himself. He is laughing on himself, not on me, because I am pure soul. I am understanding what I am lacking behind and what I need the most. I am working on it. My focus should be on that, what I am lacking behind in my life till now. From now onwards, I am doing some exercises due to which I can improve myself, so that my flow can be maintained, so that my fluency can be more fluent, so that the words, the alphabet which I am speaking should be with 100% clarity. The focus, the main thing is the focus. I always say your focus decides your destiny. Means my focus, if I am making videos for you, my destiny is to help everyone in the society. That's my destiny. I want to reach the masses of people so that everyone can take any kind of help from my videos. Take this as opportunity to improve yourself, so that I can also show to the world that I am something, I am someone that can change my life with my exercises and with all the efforts which I am making on myself. So you don't ever think, again I am saying, don't ever think that why every negativity, why all the arguments are against me, why everybody is against me, why God is not given me a good voice, why I am stammering. Don't think over it very much seriously. This is I can say this is a short term your wrong habit, a wrong habit which will not last for the longer period of time. So you have to improve on yourself first. You have to see yourself in the front of mirror. Where are you right now, and where will you will be in the next 5 years? How will you speak in the next month? How will you speak in the next year? See yourself. Make your forecast. Don't make forecast on useless things. Make forecast on yourself first. Where are you seeing yourself in the next 5 years? A good speaker, a motivational speaker, or a social activist, so that you can help anyone in need. Your focus should be on yourself only. What is your real life achievement? What's your dream? I guess the main achievement for an individual who is not able to speak in fluent manner right now, the dream would be to speak in a fluent manner, obviously. So for that you have to work on yourself. Make your basic strong of your speaking. You have to become the doctor of yourself only. You are the only scientist to make inventions on yourself. Nobody will help you, only the people, the relatives and all, will guide you to do like this, to do like this. This will help you in speaking, this will help you in speaking. But at the same point of time, when you are more focused on yourself than listening to others, your improvement graph will improve suddenly. You will see miracles in your life. You will see miracles in your life. Speech therapy is just an education, a godly education. I can say a godly education to educate those people who are having problem in speaking, or they are not having clarity in their words while speaking. The main focus is on speaking. So speech therapy is a godly education in which I educate those individuals who are not able to speak in a right manner. I always say speech therapy is not a disease. Again I am saying speech therapy is not a disease, and don't make it as disease. None of your medicine, none of your injection can help you in overcoming your speaking problems. You have to become the doctor of yourself only. You have to make inventions on yourself only. Then only you can overcome all these speaking problems. The main alphabets in which most of the individuals are having problem in speaking are R, like R rabbit, and L lion, R and L, and sometimes K. These are the three major alphabets on which 99% of the speaking individuals are having the problems, because when the alphabet comes at the first place, like Karnal, Keval, Kuch, and Ramesh, Railgadi, Revise, and Lion, Lookout. So these are the major or common words which I am speaking. The sound of these alphabets will only be clear when you are taking those alphabets out of your mind. That's right. You have to clear your mind. You don't have to write the alphabets on your notebook. You don't have to save any kind of alphabet in your mind that these are the alphabets that are affecting my life. These are the alphabets that are affecting while I am speaking. These alphabets you are taking in your mind as useless thoughts without any use. So firstly, flush out your mind from all these alphabets which you are having in your mind, like these are the alphabets I am getting affected. Nothing. Your mind should be very much clear. Okay. So you have to do 3 exercises on regular basis. First one is Om. You have to recite Om at least 11 times a day in the morning. For example, inhale from your mouth, because nose inhaling is an automatic process by which we are living. Mouth inhaling will enhance your breathing level to the next level, so that you can speak more words. You can speak more words with little pause or no pause, or with a fluent manner, in a fluent manner, or with full clarity. So do the Om exercise in the morning at least 11 times, and then the best exercise I recommend to everyone who are having speaking problems or who are not having speaking problems, the people who are having some hesitations while speaking, that persons are having hesitations, their heartbeat get fast while speaking in front of individuals. So don't get panic while speaking. That's the main solution. Don't get panic while speaking. You are the best creator of the God. Feel yourself, I am the best. I am the best creator of the God. If I am having something problem right now, that will not last in the future. I have to overcome. I have to overcome. Think like this. Get yourself motivated. While you will speak in a fluent manner, your self-confidence will rise. Your hesitation level will go downwards. The main thing is your focus, where you are seeing yourself. If you are seeing someone in front of you as a danger, then it will be a danger. And if you are seeing someone in front of you as a friend, a helping friend, then the person standing in front of you will surely help you. After seeing my videos, many clients are saying to me, sir, by doing your all exercises, we are getting improved day by day. I am feeling so much blessed that you are following me and doing all the exercises which I am recommending to you on regular basis, and you're getting results. That's obviously, I already said, I can write 100%. You can get assured results. I can show you assured result in only a single session. Just follow me, just trust me once. If you are having any speaking problem, I can change your life from this to this. You will be a great speaker. If I am speaking of myself, I always hate to make videos of myself in front of camera. I always hesitate. The self-confidence level was very much low. I become doctor on myself. I make inventions by making myself as scientist, so that I can create. I have to know, I understood what are the root causes due to which an individual suffers. What are the root causes due to which the individual cannot speak in a fluent manner. That reasons I have to eliminate day by day. I have eliminated all that reasons, and now I am making regular videos for you, so that my experiences, my knowledge can help you and you can live in a better way. That's what I'm expecting from you, nothing else. So all the exercises, the most important, make videos of yourself. You have to make videos of yourself. What I am speaking right now is the mirror image in my video. My video will explain me what you are speaking and in what manner and in what clarity, so that I can improve myself. This is the best exercise. Trust me guys, this will help you 101%. Making videos of yourself will also increase your self-confidence to the next level. Trust me once. Trust me. You will be the most happier person than ever. And doing the exercises, doing the practices in a funny manner is also an art. While I am doing my exercises or my practice, I have to be much happier from inside. If I am sad from inside and if I am reading something, that will not improve myself. It will decrease my confidence level. It will also affect my hesitation. My hesitation will increase. My heartbeat will increase. That should not be done. So at last I will say, attract positivity in your life. Do something new daily, on daily basis, and do attract positivity in yourself also and to others. Be happy and make others a reason to smile because of you. If you are the reason to other person smile, then you are the God's best child. Trust me. Thank you very much. For more inquiries, I am also giving my online sessions on daily basis, I'm having Indian clients and international clients. So language is not the barrier. I'm also giving online sessions in Hindi and in English also. Some are of my clients are from South India, so Hindi was a language barrier, so I am treating them in English language. What's the big matter? I am also having my international clients. Many of the NGOs, many of the institutions from abroad are taking my help to impart my knowledge to the people who are not able to speak. I'm treating many clients in international and in domestic also. People are getting improvement on daily basis. That's what that's my main motive to make videos for you. So do comments, do make your inquiries in your comment sections so that I can reply to everyone and I can help you. Thank you very much. God bless you all.